Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create a group chat in Snapchat. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started right away. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the first step is to open Snapchat. Once you're inside, tap on the chat icon to open chats. You may already see some existing group chats with multiple names separate by comments, indicating that there are multiple people participating in these chats. To create a new group chat, click on the chat button in the bottom right corner. So a small blue icon. From here you can start a chat by clicking on multiple names, or you can click on new group. This option will allow you to the chat with up to 100 friends. Give the group a name and start selecting the friends you want to add to the group by clicking on the names. Once you have selected your friends, click the Chat with Group button at the very bottom. Note that you must be added by all members of the group for it to be successful. If someone hasn't added you yet, make sure to do so before proceeding. You can manage your group chat by adding new members, inviting people via text message, inviting video calls, and more. It's not a complicated process, and I hope this helps you. If you still have questions, ask them in the comments below. See you in the next video.